Hi, it's Graham here at Crestron, and today I'm going to reveal the brand new Crestron UC-P8 and P10-C. So these are the new Microsoft Teams video phones. So these were announced this week at Crestron Masters and are shipping in May 2021. So let's have a look at the unboxing video and see all the features. Here we have a brand new delivery from Crestron. Let's see what's inside the box. And here we have the brand new Crestron P10, but with something additional. So let's just do this first, remove that. And just at the top here, we have a camera. So this is the camera version. So previously I have unboxed the UC-P8, which is the voice version. This is now the video version. So we have a privacy shutter on here, and let's just run through the features that we have. Our dedicated Microsoft Teams button, headset button to do Bluetooth or the wired headset on the side, our speakerphone, our hard volume keys, and a hard mute. Just around the side we have the USB-C port here, so you can plug in a wired headset. The weight of the device is beautiful. You can see here the camera is fixed, so no one has taken that off and taken it for their device. It's screwed in, it's fixed, so it can't be removed. We have dual gigabit Ethernet here, and we have the headset port, and also we have a Kensington lock port here. We have the hook switch for the handset, and again the base can be removed and added to a wall mount if that's an option that you require. So inside the box we also have a little accessory box. We have a curly cord, Ethernet cable, screen cleaner, and finally the handset. So that sits nicely on top of there. And now we just need to give it some power. So I have a power over Ethernet cable here. So you can order separately a inline injector if you don't have local power and you want to use the Wi-Fi functionality. You can use that. But here we have PoE. So as the out-of-box experience starts up, you'll be asked to select your language and then also asked to select your region. And then it will boot up into the Teams app. So other features that we have on here, as I mentioned, is the Bluetooth, so you can pair a headset. And then you can also pair it to your laptop, so it's better together, is a phrase that's been used. And there we are, ready to sign in. So when you sign in, you've got a couple of options. When I click sign in, I can choose to input my details on the screen here. So I can type in my address, etc. Or I can sign in from another device. So when I click that, I get a code here that I can use to sign in with. And hence why I have my laptop here. So what I can do is go to the website, microsoft.com/device login, and I simply go to this login page, and it's asking me to enter my code. So again, this is a one-time code, so it's secure, so you will not see this again. It will change each time someone else logs in differently. And it'll just ask you to confirm, and then your password. So as you can see now, it is signing in to your tenant with these credentials. And then we can open the camera shutter. And there we are ready to start using the Microsoft Teams video phone. So it's a video phone in the first release. And then we can go into the options and look at any settings. So you've got a hot desk option there. So I can go into here and look at any of the device settings. So again, if you've made something wrong on the out of box, you can come back in here and change it. For example, I can change my time zone, so I'm in Europe, and change our date format and our time for like 24 hour. And that saves it straight away. And you've got some options for the display, so you can change it to occupancy. So the sensor here at the bottom, the occupancy sensor, that will wake when you walk up to the device. So that's quite nice, and you can choose your timeout there. You can set a PIN number for there. You can enable Bluetooth, so let's turn that on as well. Wi-Fi, that is turned off. I don't need to use that as I've got a wired network. And so again, I can also put it in dark mode too, but you need to restart if you want to do that one. And we are ready to go. So now let's do a demo of a video call. So to make a call from my device here to this, say, Microsoft Teams room that I'm viewing remotely, I simply go into my calls, and I can either search for someone, or I can go to my recent call list, and I can search for the user. So here's one I called earlier, and I want to make a video call. So I simply select that, and over here I will answer the device. And there we can see I am receiving video now from the Microsoft Teams room. And then let's just look at the display on the other side. So this is my view in the Microsoft Teams room. So really simple to be able to do that. And I've got some features here like blur my background. So again, using the Microsoft AI capabilities within the device. I've got my privacy shutter, so I can turn that off and bring the video back. So nice and simple to do a Teams call, and I can multitask. I can bring it back the window, and I can hang up. So really easy to do that. So what about the other way? So if I want to call from the Microsoft Teams room, we can do that too. So again, I create a new call, and let's type in my name, and I invite this to a call. And then we have the audio. Again, I've got the hard button, and I can start my video, and then you can see my video there in the client. So really simple to do a call, and look at that great 10-inch screen. But what about if you want to share content? So here I have my Microsoft Teams room, and I'm actually sharing content locally, but it's not in the call. So I simply press the send content button, and then I am now sending this content into the meeting. And I have controls such as pinch to zoom, so I can see it nice and clear on this rich 10-inch high definition display. And then even if I play audio, say for this video clip,
has changed drastically.
so we can even bring audio across the HDMI connection to the room. So that's a really nice solution, and we can stop that, and you can hear it still playing in the meeting room next door. So that's using the Crestron UC-P10 with camera for all your collaboration needs. So it's not just a phone, it's not a video, it's a pure collaboration tool. Any questions? Let me know below.